Anglais facile. Running upstairs. I'm running upstairs. Running downstairs. I'm running downstairs. Washing my hands. I am washing my hands. Washing my hands with soap. Washing my hands with soap. I am washing my hands with soap. Now that I wash them up, what should I dry them up with? Paper towels. Drying my hands with paper towels. Paper towels. I'm wiping off all the water, so I'm drying up my hands. Gloves box. I am taking out some gloves out of the box. I am taking out some gloves out the box. I'm putting on gloves. Now I'm putting on gloves. Putting on gloves. I am putting on gloves. I am putting on gloves. Thank you for watching.